What's going on, everybody? This is Joyce here with a new video on how to create a Payoneer account. I will be showing you the step-by-step actionable instructions for you to create your Payoneer account. But why choose Payoneer?
I don't know.
Okay, let's say you're from a tier 3 country, for example Mauritius, which is where I'm from. And let's say you are expecting to be paid by a company from the USA or Europe, and the company can only pay you by either check or wire transfer. But due to your amazing luck, your country cannot accept any foreign check, or it is not listed on the list of banks by the company that will actually pay you. So what do? You can cry, but you won't be paid for that. You can also bang your head against the wall and nothing will change. So should you stop your endeavors in making money from another country? No, that's where Payoneer comes in. Payoneer is an online payment platform that connects businesses with customers for online payments.
Oh my God! Wow!
It will give you online bank accounts for 4 different countries that you can choose from to receive your payments in, okay? So the countries are USA, UK, Japan, Canada. Well, it did say Australia in its website, but when I created mine, I didn't see Australia. So I'll be giving you the exact step-by-step instructions on how you can create your Payoneer account. So no matter where you are from in the world, after this video, you can get yourself an online bank account and start receiving money from various marketplaces such as Fiverr, ClickBank, Pay per hour, and all that.
Nice.
So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to click on the link that I've left in the description box below this video. With this link, when you sign up, you are and complete your registration, you will earn $25. However, if you go directly to the Payoneer website and try to create your sign up for an account, you won't be getting the $25 bonus. All right, so the right way to get started is to click the link that I have left below. Okay, so once you click the link, you'll be directed to a website similar to this, and the next step is to click on sign up and earn $25. Next, we will be directed to a website like this, and they will actually try to ask us questions. So here, if we click on the drop down menu, you will see 5 items: freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or individual. Look guys, I'm an affiliate marketer, but if you select individual, all right, it will be the same. So go ahead and click on individual. Next, it will ask what are you looking for? So I'm looking to, and here it will be get paid by international clients or marketplaces. Okay, so here it actually gives you the account. All right, so you go ahead and click on register. So we will actually be directed to this page. Okay, and there are 4 options: getting started, contact details, security details, and almost done. So what you will be required to do, all right, here, the type of business, I will choose individual. All right, and the next thing you need to do is to fill in your information such as first name, last name, email address. You re-enter your email address and date of birth. Okay, so let me fill in the information. So once you're done, you click on next, and we will go now contact details. Now it says country, street, so you give your address, mobile number, and you will actually receive a code to verify, and you click on next. So I'll go and fill in the information. Now when you're done, you click on next. So here you will enter your security details such as your password, your security questions, your ID details, and you will find there are 3 types of identification: national ID, driving license, and passport. So for this, I will choose national ID. So we click on next. and we are in the almost done. Okay, so here, pay close attention. All right, here you will need to actually enter your bank name, all right, Swift code, and IBAN number. I'm from Mauritius. I got these options. Now, these can be obtained in your bank. All right, I tried calling them. I'm doing this because I'm from the 90s, right? I'm a millennial, but like if you're born after like 2000, you'll be doing this. So I tried to call them, and like I thought that I would get the code, so they actually said no, you need to actually come over to the bank. So I was doing another video. I had to stop and go to the bank and get the code and come back and redo everything. All right, so just know that if you're from Mauritius and you're watching this, you need to go to the bank first, get your Swift and IBAN number. All right, so here we go. I'm actually going to blur this, enter the information. Then once you're done, you click on this and this, okay, and click submit. Now, once you're done, all right, you will be directed to a page like this. All right, so it will say review in progress, and we will actually receive an email within the next several business days, but actually it's not business days. It will actually be a few hours. So I believe it will be a few hours. So once the application is completed, we'll be directed to sign in. All right, so I will go ahead and check the email. So it actually took me about 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes, right, to get another email that it told me like my application is under review, blah blah blah. It will take 3 days, but at the same time, I got the email telling me to verify my email. So I go on and click on verify my email. And as you can see, thank you, you successfully verified your email. Now we are actually going to sign in. Okay, to sign in, you just have to click on this here, and you will be directed to the Payoneer website, and you just click on sign in. And once you enter your email address, your password, you click on sign in. You can do 2-step verification. It solely depends on you. I'm not gonna do the 2-step verification for now, so I'm gonna click not now, and I'm gonna close that. So they are actually going to ask you security questions. All right, so there are 3 security questions in total. The first one has already been asked. Now for the second one, you go ahead and choose the questions and write down your answers. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this. So once you're done with the question and answers, you click on submit. And guys, here we are. All right, our Payoneer account has been created. So the next thing we need to do now is to go on to settings, click on bank accounts. All right, this we are going to connect our bank account to Payoneer so that when we get money, we can withdraw it. So we click on bank accounts for withdrawal, and our bank has already been here, all right, and it's pending for review. Okay guys, so it actually took me around 30 minutes more for my Payoneer account to be approved. All right, so we just need to click on that and click on the sign in button. So we are gonna sign in, and we are here. So we have 3 types of balances: USD, Euro, and Great Britain pounds. All right, and I actually showed you this settings, bank accounts. All right, and you need to activate your bank. All right, this will actually help you withdraw money. All right, so bank accounts for withdrawal, you need to click on that, and your bank account should actually be available because you actually used your details of your bank to create this account. All right, now Let's go on to receive and global payment service. All right, so here is what it will show. Now, at the very beginning, I mentioned 4 bank accounts, but as we can see right now, it's actually 5, and there is Singapore included. All right, so my bad, I made a mistake. All right, so here you have 2 accounts that has already been approved. A bank account from the UK and a bank account from the USA. And here, guys, there are 3 bank accounts that needs your approval. So what you need to do is, let's say I want to have an online bank account on Canada. So I click on Canada, all right, and it says like, we received your request for a new receiving account from Canada. It usually takes 3 to 4 hours. All right, we click back. So once I click on this, all right, they will get my request and they will approve my request. All right, so I'm actually pretty satisfied with what I have right now, which is the USA and the UK. So to get the details of the USA bank, let's click on view details. So once you click on the view details, this is what you receive. You get the guidelines, all right, and you get the bank name, address, routing, account number, account type, beneficiary name, right? This is for the USA. And if we close this and we click on the UK one, so it is slightly different, but we do have the guidelines here. And instead of all the other gibberish, we have only bank name, sort code, account number, and beneficiary name. And I'm sure like most of the time you will be using the USA. Now, let's say you receive money from your marketplace. This marketplace can be from Fiverr, it can be from ClickBank. So let's say ClickBank pays you. So when ClickBank pays you, they're gonna pay you into USD. So you're gonna receive your USD amount here, all right? And let's say you want to withdraw that money, you click on withdraw here to bank account, all right? And let's see what happens. Of course, I won't be able to do much because my balance, I just created it, okay? So you click from the USD balance and you enter your amount to withdraw and you're good to go, okay? You hit on review and you're good to go. And let's say you actually want to pay someone. You actually want to pay another Payoneer, another someone who has a Payoneer account. So you click on pay, you make a payment, all right? And let's say you want to pay a Payoneer account, so you pay for free. You want to pay, you want to do a bank transfer. You click on here, pay an Amazon advertising invoice. You pay here, all right? And let's click on this, and I'm sure like it's pretty direct. And upon clicking on that, yeah, we get to choose from where, like choose from 2 simple ways to get paid, connect with marketplace, or provide a customer marketing with a local currency account. So you're gonna click that, access my accounts and all that. It's gonna be pretty direct. So what do you need to know more? So this is pretty much everything that you need to know, like how to create your Payoneer account, how much time it takes, and how you need to make a payment, and how to withdraw your money. So this wraps up the important things you actually need to know about Payoneer. And in the next video that I'm gonna publish, I'm actually going to show you how to connect your Payoneer account to a marketplace. And the marketplace that I'm going to choose is going to be ClickBank. So if you've enjoyed this video so far, guys, give me a thumbs up. It will be good for me, and do subscribe to my channel. I do videos about making money online, mostly with affiliate marketing and video tutorials like this one. So again, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my next video. So this is Joyce Meettoo signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.